In this video, I'm going to show you a website which is going to pay you money for doing nothing. I'm going to show you a website that's going to pay you money to promote their offers. And I also going to show you a couple of ways that you can promote their offers and get paid for free. This method works worldwide and anyone can do it. If you have some free time, apply this method and you can make money online. Start with this website which is called CPA Lead. You have to go to cpalead.com, create your free account with it. CPA Lead is a CPA website, cost per action. So whenever you promote an offer, you get paid for that. Whenever the customer clicks the link and took action like putting the email address or sign up for free account or completing a surveys, you can make money like 7 cents, 77 cents, $2, something like that. So there's a couple of hundreds offers are there. You can promote it and you can get paid for that. So all you have to do is you're gonna find an offer that you want to promote. After that, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So for example here, so click offers and you can search by any country and you can select any type of offers device and you can select an offers that you are interested to promote. So there are different offers that you can promote, but in this case I want to promote this called Slim Fit, a website that solely focuses on losing weight. All you have to do is email, submit and surveys. So they put their email address and they do some surveys about themselves, and for that this website gonna pay you $5.79. This is the actual website, which is the preview of the website. So if you click, this is the offer, and if you click preview and it gives all the website details. All you need, all the information is from this website. Now I'm going to show you how to build a landing page without buying a landing page or using an expensive website. Basically you're going to use Canva to do it. On here, when you go to Canva and search by website, so when you put the website, you have to click this first thing. Again, you can create a free account with Canva. There's a link in the description. Click the first link. Now in the Canva that you can see here, this is the basic website design. So this is the picture which I obtained from this website. Now you can see this is the title, basic image that you can get it from Canva. On here I put learn more. This is an important thing. This link here is clickable. This is where you're gonna put your affiliate link. So go back to CPA Lead and this is your affiliate link. Copy that, go to Canva and click the highlight part. So this is the text. Okay, you can click the text, highlight it. After that, what you do, click these three dots and it's called link button on here. Click that and copy and paste the link and your link is live. Now why I'm saying this is where the social media part come to play. If we put this your affiliate link in social media, you will get blocked for that 100%. They don't like CPA link or affiliate links. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna insert it on a Canva template. Now what the link you're gonna share is on Canva, you're gonna click this button called share button. On here you have to look this one called share a link to view. Don't click edit, use as template. This is for if you are doing a digital work. We are not using any of this, so you have to click this one called click to view. You're gonna copy that link. Then you're gonna go to bit.ly and you're gonna put this big long link and you're gonna shorten that smaller link. Now if you copy and paste that smaller link on any website browser, and your template will open like this. Now you can see this is the template. So whenever people, you can see it's clickable link. So whenever they click that link, it will take to this offer and you get paid when they took action. And remember that if you miss any targeted countries, So for example, this offers only pay from Albania. Okay, so if your offers or if your traffic is coming from say UK or USA, so what happens is this affiliate link will be turned into different affiliate offers and they sign up for it and you still get paid for that. Now how you gonna grow your social media? Simple is you're gonna need a content in order to grow any social media page. So that's why YouTube come to play. Here we're gonna get the content. So you're not going to publish anything, you're gonna get free content for your social media. So here you're going to type how to lose weight fast, something like the keywords. So if you have a Tubebuddy, you can get these keywords ideas so you can create unlimited content. So again, there's a link in the description for Tubebuddy. Now here, go to YouTube and type your keywords, click filters, and you're going to click create a comment, which means these videos are you can re-edit it and upload it on YouTube. At the same time, you can upload it onto any social media. So for example, these are some of the social media like Facebook. So you can see here, these are the big social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. Again, you can re-upload the same video on YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat, and again TikTok. So my favorite is TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So basically, if you go to Facebook, you can see these are pages on losing weight, or if you go to Twitter, and you can see these are the accounts on losing weight. All you have to do is create an account for solely only for that offers, upload these free contents on the bio section of the page or group or account. You're gonna put the Canva page link. So you're gonna put this link, not the affiliate link, you're gonna put your landing page link on there. So whenever people started to follow your page, they promote it, they share it, they click the link in the bio, it will take them to this landing page and they click learn more and it will take them to the offers. When they sign up for it, you get paid for free. So this is how you're gonna promote CPA offers and you're gonna make money online for free. This method actually works worldwide. All you need is internet connection and a laptop and you have a free time. Just try it out. So find one of us and create or download unlimited content from YouTube, then re-upload it on the social media. So you are not doing any hard work. Just basically follow this system. Find one offer, don't promote unlimited offers, just one offers. Find the content on YouTube, then upload it to any social media that you are interested in, build the audience and promote it, and you get paid for that. So I hope you understand these videos. If you want to watch video like this one, make money online in the futures, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video and leave a comment what kind of videos, what kind of tutorial videos you needed guys. Under that, have a good day. See you next video guys.